Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a drink. We're going to be making chai tea from scratch. And this recipe is vegan friendly. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to cooking some tea. Okay, I got 6 cups of cold water heating up right here. We're going to take about 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, cut into slices. Normally be rounds, but not in this case. 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoons black peppercorns, 10 whole cloves, slightly crushed, and 6 cardamom pods, green cardamom pods, also slightly crushed. We'll let that come to a boil. Normal recipe would call for be adding milk, but I'm going to be using coconut milk to help make it vegan friendly. As you can see, it's getting pretty hot, not quite boiling. All the spice getting nice and excited up in there. Now that's boiling. We're going to reduce it to medium-low. And partially cover it. And let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright, it's almost time. Yeah. Lid off. You're going to take 6 bags of black tea, add it in. We're going to remove the pan, remove it from the heat. You can see it. We'll let it steep for about 5 minutes. What we're going to do is grab the tea bags out, squeeze them, From here, we add the coconut milk. And half a cup brown sugar. We return it to the heat. Put it on the high heat. And whisk it until the sugar dissolves. This recipe will make 6 servings. You could also have toasted the spices if you wanted to. Bring out more of the flavor and add a slight smoked roasted flavor. It's coming to a simmer. Turn off the heat. We're going to strain it here in a second. Here, my strainer set up. Here we are. We got some fresh hot chai. Now you can either serve it hot or iced. Meet you at the table. We'll go taste this. I made one of those iced and made one of those hot. Try the hot one right here first. Pretty good. Now the iced one. Yeah. Yeah, I want it good, but I maybe not coconut milk. Maybe another milk substitute. Oh, you can choose milk. You know, whatever you choose. But the coconut milk leaves a little residue, like oil on your lips. But it's still good. Hope you enjoyed this. If you make some chai tea at your house. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can ring the bell and be notified of my next upload. Thank you once again for visiting Tom's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.